Hi everybody, Dr. Darren Stegall coming to you from Express Chiropractic with another Express Health tip. We're going to talk about stretching our lower extremity on the Swiss ball or the big gymnic ball. Or you could do this in a chair if you didn't have one of these balls. This ball is a great little exercise device to own. First thing we're going to do is simply stretch our hamstrings. As you notice, because I'm on the ball, I have to maintain a little bit of balance, which is great for my core, great for my nervous system, or for my neurological system, to have to maintain this balance while I stretch, versus if you're in a chair or on the floor, you don't have this element brought in. So if you can stretch on a ball like this, to do some of your stretches on it is a great idea. So we're just going to reach forward for the foot or for the ankle, or if you can't reach, get like a belt and put it around the bottom of your shoe and just pull yourself forward so that you can get a stretch in the back of this thigh. Next one we're going to do is we're going to stretch a muscle called the Piriformis, which is, for most people, just thinking of it as the hip, and that's of course a very common area to have pain. Notice that I'm forced to maintain my balance quite a bit doing this stretch on the ball because I just have one foot on the ground, so I'm not very stable. But again, it brings in a new element, and then you're able to slowly pull your knee across towards the opposite shoulder, stretching this hip in the back. If you want to stretch the front, push the knee down, all the while maintaining good focus, good concentration, so that you do not fall off this ball. If you are just starting out, you may need to get a ball that maybe has some sand in the bottom so it's more stable. You can buy a ball like that, or put it in a corner or at least touching a wall so that it stabilizes the ball a little bit until you can get to where you can have it out in the open. And of course, make sure you buy a ball that fits you. This ball's a little bit small for me. So that's 3 great stretches that you can do. First, we had hamstring, just reaching out. Second, we have leg crossed and pulling the knee across towards the opposite shoulder to stretch the back of the hip. And lastly, we have pushing the knee down, all the while balancing on the large exercise ball to help strengthen our core and help with our balance as well. And as always, if you have any pain, stop, check with your healthcare professional. Dr. Darren, over and out.